The Crab Nebula is a beautiful cloud of gas and dust in space. It's located about 6,500 light-years away from Earth. We see it in the Taurus constellation. The Crab Nebula was created by a dying star. In 1054 AD, Chinese astronomers saw a new star in the sky. It was so bright that it was visible during the day. This guest star was actually a supernova explosion. The Crab Nebula is the leftover debris from that explosion. The Crab Nebula is still expanding today. Astronomers can study it to learn about how stars die. It's a fascinating object to observe with telescopes. Stars are like giant nuclear reactors. They fuse hydrogen into helium in their cores. This process releases a lot of energy, making the star shine. Eventually, stars run out of hydrogen fuel. When this happens, the star's core starts to collapse. The outer layers of the star expand outward. The star becomes a red giant. For massive stars, the core collapse leads to a supernova explosion. This is one of the most powerful events in the universe. The explosion blasts the star's outer layers into space. This creates a nebula. Our sun is a medium-sized star. It's not massive enough to explode as a supernova. Instead, it will follow a different path. In about 5 billion years, the sun will become a red giant. It will expand so much that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth. After that, the sun will shed its outer layers into space. This will create a beautiful planetary nebula. The sun's core will remain behind as a white dwarf. Our sun cannot become a Crab Nebula. The Crab Nebula was created by a supernova explosion. Our sun is not massive enough to go supernova. The Crab Nebula is also a specific type of nebula called a pulsar wind nebula. This means it's powered by a rapidly spinning neutron star. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a massive star after a supernova. Our sun will not become a neutron star, so it cannot create a pulsar wind nebula like the Crab Nebula. Section 5. Cosmic Consequences, Imagining the Unimaginable. But let's imagine for a moment that our sun could somehow transform into a Crab Nebula. What would happen to us? First, we would lose our source of light and heat. The sun would no longer be a star but a cloud of gas and dust. Earth would quickly become a very cold and dark place. The expanding nebula would also bombard Earth with harmful radiation. This would be devastating for any life that might have survived the initial freezing temperatures. Section 6. Farewell to Earth, no light, no life. In short, if the sun became a Crab Nebula, life on Earth would cease to exist. Our planet would become a barren, lifeless rock orbiting a cloud of gas and dust. It's a good thing that this scenario is impossible. We can be grateful that our sun will follow a less dramatic path as it ages. Section 7. Comparing giants, sun versus Crab Nebula. The sun and the Crab Nebula are incredibly different objects. The sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas held together by gravity. It produces energy through nuclear fusion. The Crab Nebula is the remnant of a supernova explosion. It's a cloud of expanding gas and dust. The Crab Nebula doesn't produce its own light. It glows because the gas and dust are still being energized by the rapidly spinning neutron star at its center. Section 8. Fascinating Facts, the Crab Nebula up close. The Crab Nebula is a fascinating object for astronomers to study. Here are some cool facts about it. It's expanding at a rate of about 1,500 kilometers per second. The neutron star at its center spins 30 times per second. The Crab Nebula emits radiation across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to gamma rays. Section 9. The Sun's Journey, a look into the far future. While our sun won't become a Crab Nebula, its future is still fascinating to contemplate. Billions of years from now, it will go through dramatic changes, ultimately ending its life as a white dwarf. The study of stars and their life cycles helps us understand our place in the vast universe. It reminds us that even seemingly eternal objects like stars are constantly changing and evolving. And it makes us appreciate the preciousness of the life-giving star we call the sun.